I want to think like 3D, like how it would look like if the camera focuses on him. So because the script says that a view of the town, and then close up to the angel, close up view, and some side angles. So I can make this by my own memory, by my own self, but it's really hard because I need to play with perspective and stuff. But so what I did is I used Nomad Sculpt. I i created a world, a 3D world of the town, of this mountain, and of everything. what what's amazing about using 3D for the environment is you can revolve around it. The perspective the perspective is always correct. So yeah, guys, this is Nomad Sculpt. As you can see, this is the world that I built. It's really easy actually, because everything is just, the topography is just very basic, it's very small, so I can play around very easily, no any lags. So yeah, this box that you can see here, this one is actually the cloud that you saw before in the comics, and this purple house is the one that I showed you, which was shaded, and this was the gate. This was the port. Yeah, the mountain. So yeah, I use Nomad Sculpt. These are the ships, and it's pretty basic. And then you just have to modify when you're already using it as a guide. And also, some tip for you guys: if you like to have an accurate poses, you can use an app called Poseit. It's really cool, and I use it all the time for my comics. And yeah, for the environment, I use 3D Nomad Sculpt. And for the characters, if I'm really not sure about the poses, on how it should be, how the character should pose, I use Poseit. I will put the link down below. So yeah, guys, this is Poseit, and this is where I create a pose. I can create a pose by myself, but if I want to make sure if what he's doing is right, I just create a, like for example, this one is really cool because you can adjust the hand like this by joints. Yeah, this is a new feature, and you can move around. You can have him, for example, sitting down, and then this, for example, you can create a pre-made um, hands. For example, this one looking up. Yeah, it's really cool, you see. It takes time, but it's after that your poses will be really accurate. For example, I want to make a Spider-Man pose, You just have to play around it, guys. Get used to it. And like this. So yeah, from here you can save it as, and also the angle is really nice. Yeah, you can save it as an image, and then you can trace around it. It's up to you. For me, I use it as a guide. For example, like this. You can use it for my comics. You can have what looks like in back view, and also you can change the model. For example, if it's a woman, if it's wait, oh no, see, you can change to a woman. Actually, there's muscle guy, skeleton, yeah, like anime, werewolf. Yeah, like this. And you can change the features to make it more detailed. Like this. It's really useful, you know. At least you have a guide if you're to have a correct pose. It's just tools, and you can play around it, let it help you, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again, guys.